Lewis structure of CO2 molecule step by step, or Lewis structure with correct geometry of CO2, right? So let us show you the Lewis structure of CO2 molecule step by step. At first we have to find out the valence electron for CO2. Carbon has 4 valence electron because it is the element of group 4a. We know that group number is equal to valence electron for main group elements. Oxygen has 6 valence electron because it is the element of group 6a. So here we have 2 oxygen, so multiply by 2. So basically we are getting here, look, 4 plus 12, that is 16 valence electron totally. Can you tell me what are the function of this 16 valence electron? This 16 valence electron have 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms together. So, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for all the atoms. So let us connect these 3 atoms together. So to connect this atom and this atom, we need one bond. One bond means 2 dots, right? These dots is will be shared by 2 atoms equally. For understanding Lewis structure, right? So out of 16 we have used 4, so we have 12 valence electron left, and this 12 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet for outer atom first. Here carbon is the central atom because it has the maximum capacity of making bond, or it is the least electronegative element among these atoms. So we will satisfy the outer octet for the outer atom first. So this oxygen has 2, so it will, to satisfy its octet, it will take maximum 6. So out of 12 we have used here 6, so 6 left. So now we have to satisfy the octet for this oxygen. So here we will place 6 valence electrons. So here we have used all the valence electron. Now look, this carbon has 4 valence electron here, but we need 8. But this oxygen has 8 valence electron and this oxygen has 8 valence electron. So we need to satisfy the octet of central atom now. So how can you do that? You don't have extra electron, right? So you can move this lone pair as bond pair. So move this, and you can also move this lone pair as bond pair, right? So let us delete. Already we have moved this pair here. Now look, this carbon has 8 valence electron, right? And this oxygen also has 8 valence electron. This oxygen also has 8 valence electron, right? So this is the Lewis structure of CO2 molecule, right? So you can express this molecule like this. Let me delete. You can express this molecule like this. You can express this bond pair as dash. Here 2 bond pair, 2 dash. So Lewis structure of CO2 molecule, this or this. This carbon is sp2 hybridized, and this oxygen is also sp2 hybridized. Double bond indicates sp2 hybridized. There is no lone pair over carbon atom, right? That is why you can say the molecular geometry of CO2 is linear, right? Linear, and carbon dioxide is not a polar molecule. Remember, because the dipole moment of each bond cancel each other. That is why the molecular dipole moment is 0, and thus CO2 is non polar. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.